Hey guys, how's it going? This is Eddie Gray. Welcome to Resources for the Modern Creative, where we help you become a better producer. And in today's video, we're doing a shootout between Arturia and Native Instruments. The question here is Arturia better than Komplete 13 by Native Instruments? Well, it really depends. It depends where you are in the continuum. This is a derivative from the course that I created for Mix Innovators. So if you want to check that out, check the link in the description. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, take good care. Bye. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Arturia or Native Instruments, what works for you? This is the website Mix Innovator. You can see that there are some big dogs and Dave Pensato. You got Bob Horn here. Lots of great innovators. And I've got some of my Logic Pro courses, and there it is right there. Is Arturia V8 better than Komplete 13? This is a free course, so if you want to sign up, go to mixinnovator.com. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you to everybody who believes in what we're up to here. I could not do this without you, so many thanks for the support, the likes, the sharing, all that good stuff. I want you guys to stay up, stay happy, stay focused on what you want. That's always the message here. You can choose to think the opposite, but let me tell you, that kind of thinking is really going to get you nowhere. So let's stay up, let's stay in our grind, let's stay focused, and I'll catch you guys next time. Take good care, stay up, see ya.